Now, former Grade A campaigner, also correct, who dropped down to $180,000 claiming, won the Independence Day Stakes Trophy over a mile, while Superluminal took the overnight allowance over 10 furlongs at Caymanas Park today.
The Independence Day Stakes Trophy was one of the few trophy races contested by $180,000 claimers, and Dick Cardenas' Strike It Lucky from the barn of Errol War was the 75 favorite. The 4-year-old filly tried to steal a march on her rivals, but it was Omar Walker with a well-timed run aboard the 7-year-old, also correct, who took the victory.
Strike It Lucky is fighting hard against the rail, but coming into the lane, it is also correct, stepping off the rail towards Center Course, who has it. Strike It Lucky getting strikes of that stick. Just in behind them, Batidor de Mundo, further back to Dusseldorf and the rest, but it's also correct. The stick in the left hand, Omar Walker willing this one to win. As they come passing the furlong pole, they've opened up 2 to 3 lengths over Strike It Lucky. Batidor de Mundo now comes with a late charge, but it is also correct, driven to the max. Batidor de Mundo eating into the lead, also correct, and Omar Walker leads by 2. They hold it to the line. Batidor de Mundo is second, Strike It Lucky is third. Fourth.
Also correct, won by 2 lengths, covering the mile in a moderate 1 minute 46 2/5 for her second consecutive victory in the class.
She won when I get her the other day. We decided we'll just keep her and put her back the same place. So we expect her to, that should have given a winning performance, and it's always good when you plan and it work out.
The 6-time champion jockey Walker aboard Superluminal outrode Shane Ellis and Dante to win the 10 furlong overnight allowance.
Dysfunctional, found a bit wanting, a disaster for everything. Biblical Legend has folded up back in fourth. It's Superluminal into the lane at the quarter pole. Dante attacking on the outside. Dysfunctional has more to do in behind. Biblical Legend and the rest all struggling, but Superluminal battles to hold it at the furlong pole. Dante now under the left-hand stick. Superluminal also under the left-hand stick on the rail, leads by just over a length. Dante not reeling him in inside the final 16th. It is Superluminal under a strong drive. Superluminal gives Walker a triple. Dante is second. Dysfunctional is third. Old Brayton fourth. Biblical Legend has finished fifth.
The Ian Passat Colt won by a length and a half in 2 minutes 9 2/5 for Walker's third win of the day to take the jockey honours. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.